So today, without wasting any time, let's take a look at main coding. So here we are looking at def get customer info, and also def read tour packages, and also def select tour packages, calculate total cost, and also generate receipt, and also mains use. So for main.py full code, we will be explaining on later on slide. Thank you. Moreover, we're going to be looking at booking details.txt file also. So once user have inputted the details, automatically this file will pop up on Python. So now, without wasting any time, let's take a look at output also. So this as in now you're looking at the full code, the full output for that code. As you can see, first and foremost, we're going to be looking at enter customer name, where user have to input their name, passport and ID number, phone number, and then also nationality, where user have to choose whether they are local or an international. So and then next we will be looking at choices, tour packages of choices, where locals and international prices will be listed it out to the customers. And also you can choose tour package tour types, whereas number 1 you would be choosing hiking, number 2 island hopping, and number 3 is camping. So you also would be asked enter the number corresponding to the tour type, so you can choose which part you want, which package 1, 2 or 3. And also you can also choose duration, whether you can choose half day, because half day is lesser price compared to the full day. So this is the full code, and then you would also see and receipt. You can see the name, passport ID, phone number, nationality, tour type, duration, total price, and also the booking details is saved or not. Thank you. Okay, without wasting any time, we're going to be taking a look at code explanation with output. So whereas I'm going to be presenting to you about the source code in our main.py, and also our output. So for this code, which kind of output will be released and why is that, once the function, I'm going to be explaining to you everything right now. So today, first and foremost, let's look at first, which is our get customer info. On this part, these functions collects basics informations about the customer, which is name, ID, phone number, and also the nationality, which is not a very complicated code, which is a very easygoing code. Name equals to input, enter customer name, ID name equals to input, enter passport ID number, and also nationality, where a user can choose their nationality and local or international. That's all. Next, we're going to be looking at read tour packages code. On this specific function, we're going to be looking at where this code actually read and displays the available tour packages from the tour package txt.file. So from just now we saw the txt file that packages, whereas on this code actually helps that file to appear in main file. Moving on to select tour packages, whereas customer will be selecting their tour type on this certain code, where I've used print, so to choose to customer to able to see what they have inputted, so that it will be printed out in the output. And also and this code also allows the customer to select a tour package and input the number of participants. So in case if there's a family of 2 or 3 means, it will ask how enter the number of participants. So you may choose number 2 or 3. So according to the number of participants, price may also differ. And also let's take a look at calculate total cost. The source code, you're looking at the source code right now. So whereas on this part, the code's functions actually calculates the total cost of the selected tour packages by the customer based on the tour type, customer nationality, because customer nationality may differ prices, and also duration, which is half day or full day, and also the number of participants. So functionality, it calculates the total cost of multiplying the price by the number of participants, and also if there's an error in selecting tour types or durations due to invalid inputs, it handles it gracefully and returns none, which the system, if this if customer have accidentally inputted a wrong type of duration, it will automatically cancel the booking and it will return to none, which is return to 0. That's all from me today. Thank you, and after this my partner will be taking on. Thank you. We also are looking at tour package.txt file number 2, which we have several types of tour packaging, which is hiking, island hopping, camping, which may cause price differences for both local and also internationals. As for an example, local hiking half day costs RM35 and full day is 55, and local island hopping half day is 45 and full day is 65, and local camping would be half day would be 55 and full day 85. International hiking half day 65 and full day 95. International island hopping half day 85 and full day 125. International camping half day 95 and full day 145. Thank you.
Thanks to Puan Amira. My name is Dan Chachandra. My metric card number 2 and DDT 22F1210. Just now my teammate was explaining the coding that we designed, that we created for the system. So I just continue back the coding. So firstly, generate receipt, which is customer info, tour info, and total cost. So in the source code, we have used def generate receipt, which is customer info, tour info, and total cost. Name, ID number, phone number, and nationality is for customer info. Tour type, duration, and participants is for tour info. So when the receipt display, it will shows like receipt name, passport ID or IC number, phone number, nationality, either they can choose for local and international, tour type, duration, and the total price. At the end, it will show like booking details was saved. So the explanation for this source code is this function generates a receipt for the booking and saves the booking details in a structured format to booking details txt. It formats and display the receipt with customer and tour information. For the main source code, main for the system that we created, which is this is the main program flow that overall execution of the booking system. That is the main thing that to the system to run lah. So it calls, the firstly it calls get underscore customer underscore info is to collect the customer details. Secondly, read underscore tour underscore packages is to display available packages lah that available in tour package. The third one is select underscore tour underscore package is to allow the user to choose a package, which is they can choose either what the package they wanted to selected lah. And it calculates the total cost based on the customer input and selected package. And finally, it will generate the receipt and save the booking details. So as you all can see in the coding, they declared get customer information. The step 2 is display available tour package. The step 3 is allow customer to select a tour package, and the step 4 it calculate the total cost by based on customer input. For example, if they choose local, the total cost will generate by how long the duration, how long the packages. It will total up the cost, and in the output it will shows how much the cost. So the lastly is the generate a receipt and save the booking details. Next is price difference between local and international tourists if 2 and 3 participates. For the 2 participates, for the local, they choose camping as a tour type. Duration is full day. The total price is 170. But for the international, they chose camping full day, but the total price is 290. What if the 3 participate? Interested to join lah. So the tour type is camping full day, but the total price is 255. But for the international campaign full day, the total price is 435. This is the main part, which is errors that occur in our system. In case user or tourists have input wrong details as shown in the picture pasted above, it will automatically pop up an error message to choose the right package. For example, select tour type, which is they given 3: hiking, island hopping and camping. Enter the number corresponding to the tour type. They ask to choose the 3 number 1 until 3. They need to choose 1 to either 3. If they type in 34, if they type 34, it automatically it will shows invalid tour type selection, which is tour selection was not successful. Asking user to choose a valid tour type selection, which is you need to choose 1, 2 or 3. Then only it will continue generates for the selection select the direction. If the user or tourist wrongly input the wrong details, it automatically pop up invalid tour type selection. So that's all from us. So thank you for watching this video presentation. Thank you to Puan Amira.